Hey guys, what's up? How are you? So today I'm going to talk about something which you all have been looking forward to. You just wanted that knot to go ahead. Well, this product is not going to disappoint you at all, and this is the best amount I've ever seen in the market. So let's get started. So this is the product I'm going to talk about. This is LetsShave Balls Trimmer, which is India's first V-shaped ball trimmer. This comes with 2 years of warranty and it has many features which I'm going to talk about. So let's get started. So let's open it. Oh, this is already giving me a premium product feel. Quite good packaging, I must say. And this is the product we are talking about. So the product also looks quite premium, and we have got a comb attachment here. The product has this I-shaped body which helps you get better grip, and this won't slip away from your hands easily. And this has also this V-shaped head which will help you trim hard to reach areas and will offer you that multi-directional usage. So this product has R-style rounded blades which helps to avoid snagging and ultimately prevents nicks and cuts. Believe me guys, you don't wanna nick your sack. So there is this another amazing feature of this product which is travel lock, and this is quite helpful while traveling. So all you have to do is like press the button, this button for 3 seconds. 1, 2 and 3, and now you can see it's locked. It isn't working, and now to do the to unlock it, you have to do the same thing again. You have to press it for 3 seconds. It's 1, 2 and 3. See, now it's working. So let's see what's more inside the box. Okay, so we have this manual guide here to guide you completely, and this is the lint bag, and this is waterproof. So both the bag and this product is waterproof. So we have got this like 3 comb attachments. This one, and we already have this one. So we have 3 comb attachments for the desired area. And this is the USB for charging. And this is the lubricating oil and the brush to keep your products clear and clean. So guys, feel good, stay. Hold on a second. Hello? Yeah, on my way. Yeah. So guys, do remember, feel good, stay sharp.